Okay, so welcome back to this other video. I'm going to go through why you should choose AudGram or consider choosing AudGram. Well, there is three main reasons. One is the enhanced accessibility, so it allows you to reach audiences who prefer visual content, okay, especially if a lot of your content is predominantly audio. It also saves hours with AI automated workflows, and this will help your production efficiency. And again, you don't need any coding skills for this, so it is pretty much copy and paste, drag and drop. If you haven't seen the demonstration video, I highly recommend you looking at it before you make a buying decision, and the link is in the description below. And it also actually increases engagement. Okay, so that's the way the system has been designed, the AudGram software, to create scroll-stopping content for social media. So this is going to allow to transform your audio content into very powerful visual assets that capture the attention and drive results and more exposure to give you that omnipresence online exposure. Okay, so again, go to fabrecommendsit.com/AudGram review, demo and bonuses.